Hello everyone. Today we are talking about history of Dubai. Greeting the history enthusiast. Today we embark a captivity and journey through the time to explore the fascinating history of Dubai. Dubai is now gleaming metropolis has a rich and diverse past that has shaped its identity. Let's dive into the tale of the extraordinary city. Early beginnings. The Wise story begins the ancient time as the humble fishing and trading community along the shores of Arabian Gulf explored the living area, a crucial industry that fueled Dubai early economy, fostering connections with the neighboring regions. Number 2. Tribes. Delves into the era of Bani Yas tribe. There are the strategic alliance, particularly with British Empire, that played a pivotal role in shaping the Dubai political landscape, uncovering the flourishing trade routes, and Dubai became a virtual hub for the merchants connecting Asia, Africa, and Europe. The oil boom. The witness and transformative impact of the discovery of oil in 20th century, propelling Dubai into a new era of prosperity, followed the visionary leadership of Sheikh Rashid bin Said Al Maktoum, who laid the foundation of Dubai modern development. Architecture and Marvel Global Hub explore the breathtaking architecture and evaluation of construction of iconic structures like Burj Al Arab to artificially wonder of Palm Jumeirah, understand how Dubai strategically positioned itself a global business and tourism hub, attracting people from all corners of the world. Diversification and innovation. Examine Dubai's effort to diversify its economy with the focus on sectors like tourism, aviation, technology, highlight key milestones such as the launch of Dubai Internet City and the establishment of Dubai International Financial Center. Future vision. Conclude the journey by exploring Dubai ambition future projects like the Expo 2022 and plans for the sustainable development. Discuss ongoing commitment to the innovation and progress as the Dubai continues. As the rap and historical absence has witnessed Dubai incredible transformation from the modest trading post to global powerhouse. Join future episode as unrevealed more tales from intriguing the history of cities around the world. Don't forget like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.